Hello everyone, my name is Tinso, also known as 300. Welcome to my channel 300 Travel Tales. കേരളത്തിലെ എൻ്റെ എല്ലാ കൂട്ടുകാർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. To all my friends outside Kerala, namaste. In today's video, we will talk about the 5 nicknames which people give to a motorcycle rider on the highways. Stay tuned. Number 1. Crazy. This is the most common nickname which I got during my ride. All my friends, most of my friends call me crazy to embarking on a trip like 10,000 kilometers or 5,000 kilometers going from here and there. Every time you are on a motorcycle, you are crazy. And the normal people outside, they call me crazy because they see me wearing all the riding jacket, the riding helmet, the balaclavas, the gloves, even in a very hot and humid environment. And they find it very crazy that, and they were even asking me, are you from, where are you from? Where are you from? Don't you feel hot? We are feeling very hot. We are taking away clothes. You are putting on clothes. So this is the most common nickname which I get in the highways. Number 2. The Kidnapper. So while I was doing my saddle sore ride back in 2012, I went to a petrol bunk in Dindigul, Tamil Nadu. So I was wearing all my jacket, protective gears, my gloves, my helmet, my balaclava on, and my sunglasses on. So when I went to a petrol bunk, the local guys who came there to fill petrol asked the petrol pump attendant to get me, to check my ID and make sure that I'm not a kidnapper. So the excuse they were saying is that everybody who wears helmet is a kidnapper. How crazy is that? Number 3, the terrorist. Yes, you are a terrorist. No, I'm not a terrorist. So while I was riding from Kashmir, so I completed all my Kashmir and Kashmir section. I came back to Chandigarh, and from Chandigarh I was coming to Delhi, and Delhi I was going to Varanasi. So during my while I was passing through UP, so they had some festival or something over there. So the police pulled me over, and I was wearing my jacket, my helmet, my balaclava, and my sunglasses on. So actually I was not even showing even a piece of skin, but so the police guys, the police cops, they just pulled me over and they asked me to park my motorcycle beside. I did not get off from my motorcycle, but I could see a lot of people coming and gathering over me, seeing my luggage, seeing my appearance. So people they were suggesting the policeman to check my ID and make sure that I'm not a terrorist. So they were saying, this can be a terrorist, this could be a terrorist, you should keep a distance. I could hear them murmuring. I was laughing inside my helmet. I showed them my ID. So they just checked, okay, where are you from? Okay, I'm from Kerala. Okay, answer is right. They gave me back my ID. I did not even take off my helmet. So I'm not a terrorist. Number 4, the skydiver. So I was during my trip in Kashmir, I came back via Visakhapatnam. So while I was traveling from Visakhapatnam to Bangalore, I went to a small local shop. So there was a cute, nice young girl. So she was studying in 8th standard, and she was asking me, are you the guy who jumps out of the plane and who lands on the highway? What? No. Why do you ask that? Oh, you have all the costumes with you. Costumes? Nice. So this is another nickname which I got, a skydiver. I did skydiving. To watch that video, check here. Number 5, the rich guy. So I come from a middle class family, and a lot of people have the perception that I am very rich. So I'm come from a middle class family. I'm a self-made man. So I save my money for the trip by sacrificing small needs. To go out with friends for a party. I sacrifice that. I take that money, and I have a special bank account for that, for my trips, for my motorcycle rides. I keep in, and I plan motorcycle rides very advanced. Like in 2014 south, 2015 west, 2016 north, 2017 it was supposed to be northeast, but I changed the plan to 2018. So all these things were planned 4-5 years before, so that I have ample time to tackle the financial expenses. So that's about the nicknames which I get, or which most of us get during the highways or during motorcycle riding. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know your views in the comment section below. And if you want to hear more from me, subscribe. See you next time. Till then, take care. Tinso.